Well, welcome back to Channel On. Today we're going to be working on my prop car. This is a 2000 Volvo S40 and we got a problem with the front strut that needs to be replaced. So let's go ahead and get started. So once we get the tire off, we're going to need to remove the brake line. That's by just pulling this clip out. We're going to need to remove this nut, and then we're going to hit these two bolts and pop those out. We also got the sway bar nut right there that has to come off as well. Now I'm going to keep this bottom bolt in until I get the sway bar link off and the brake line. Now we're going to go up on top and remove the strut nuts. Okay, so now what we need to do is we just need to remove that bolt, and you may find that you have to tunk on a little bit to knock it out. Take a little stress off it, push up on here if you need to, just like that. Pull that bolt out, lift up on this, and you should be able to pop right out of there. If you got a pry bar or something like that to kind of help you. Now just negotiate that out of there. Watch out for your brake line. And there it is. And you can see why we need to replace this. The spring is broken. Looks like that top part there may be a little rusty too. Now I could just replace the spring, but I'm just going to go to the salvage yard and pick up a whole strut. All right, I'm out to Kenny U-Pull. We've got a donor car right here. So we're going to remove the strut right off this vehicle right here. So let's go ahead and get started on that. What a bummer. Went to go take the strut off here and the spring's all busted. Same situation I have already. As you can see, that didn't work out so well. That was the only car they had at the junkyard that had springs on it. Unfortunately, they were both broken. So I ended up buying one online. Wasn't too bad, about 60 bucks. But unfortunately, I don't have a spring compressor to put this on the old strut. So a friend of mine has a spring compressor, so I'm going to take it over there. He's going to put it on for me. Then I'll bring it back here, put it on the car, and we should be set to go. Okay, well there we are. The spring is all installed on the strut. Now we're just going to go ahead and reverse the process and reinstall it. So as you slide that up in there, you want to make sure that you get the brake line and everything out of the way. Be very careful. Just going to pull that back a little bit here. Should. I'll kind of line that up a little bit. Just like that. Now we're going to go up on top and we're going to pull that up a little bit so we can put the top nuts on. Just like that. And get the nuts started. Go ahead and snug them down. Okay, now that we have the nuts on top all tightened down, we need to take our bolts that we took out earlier and put them back in. So you might have to just kind of wiggle that around a little bit and line it up. There's the bottom one. Go ahead, put the top one in. Just like that. Now go ahead and put the nuts on. Okay, let's go ahead and hook our brake line back up. Okay, go ahead and bring your sway bar link in. Wheel sensor. Okay, I think we're good to go. Okay, it's down on its feet. I'm not going to worry about the alignment. This is a prop car, meaning that it's only going to spend its time on dirt roads and parking lots, so I'm not worried about tire wear. If I was, then I'd take it to a front-end shop and have them line it up. Cost me about 50 or 60 bucks for me to go ahead and repair this. So pretty much all set with this project until the next one. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.